All right, man. How about now? Please be live now, man. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Here we go, gang. Here we go. All right, guys. Boom, baby, boom. How we doing, guys? What's up, Art, Ravi, Diane, Puri, Akilesh, Raz, Rohan, KK Unicorn, Cameron, Conquest. What's up, everybody? How we all doing, friends? Brett, Neaton, Google. How's it going, everybody? Man, my pleasure. So happy to have you all here. Gabriel, Sion, how you guys doing? Pistolero, Jolo, Mabanu, Michael, Much One, Rohan doing great. Awesome to hear. Justin, T. Jones, Raymond, and Cosmin T. Guys, how you all doing? Is anybody new tonight, man? Helium, what happened to Helium? DJ Corey, how you doing? Hi, man, how you doing? Lori, how's it going? What happened to Helium? I always liked Helium. Wow, wow. Helium exploding, man. Hi from Australia, how you doing? How we doing, everybody? How from Kashmir? Anybody new here, man? How you doing, Kiwi? What's happening, buddy? How we doing, guys? Anybody's first time here on the stream? Eric, how you doing? Hey, Jay Kirk, I appreciate it. Justin, not new, first time commenting. Gotcha. Gravedigger, first time on. You want to be just like me? When you grow up. Vanguard, seriously, the zombie takes forever. I bought Vanguard yesterday. I'm going to have to try to play it soon. First day. Well, guys, it's so awesome to have you guys here, man. So nice. If you're new, guys, I wholeheartedly appreciate you all clicking this link and being here with me tonight, guys. It really does mean a lot. First time. I see them all, guys. I see them all. I'm new, first time. Awesome, guys. Regular, of course. A lot of people were asking, is SHIB a good investment? I think SHIB really could be appropriate in like 10 to 20% of a portfolio. First time. Gotcha. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good night, whatever, time it is for you guys. We have a lot of stuff to look at. I found something pretty sick. I think it would be really fun if we bought altcoins together on stream. I feel like we should do another video on stream too. I think I'm going to buy probably 5 like Shiba Inu type clones on stream. What do you guys think? I'm going to go to Radium and buy them, man. I'm going to go to Radium. I'm going to buy some. You guys want to watch me do that? You guys want to watch me find new shibs to buy? You guys want to watch that? It's up to you guys. You guys want to watch me do this? So you let me know. This is not a dating chat room, at least not for now. That is subject to change. You guys tell me what you want to do. Vinci, how you doing? Got some Pinu. YOLO channel, how you doing? You guys want me to talk about SHIB? Would you guys want me to talk about SHIB right now, or do you guys want to watch me try to find the next SHIB? What would you guys rather me do? Will it pump? How you doing, Jal? What's going on? I realistically see this again being like a slide, and I see a flag forming. So the deal with SHIB, realistically, buying 3K on Monday, gotcha. Find some new stuff. SHIB, please. Sure, we'll do both. Everybody. We'll do both. Awesome. We'll do everything, guys. We will do everything. Before we do that, guys, make sure to drop a like, guys. I would appreciate it so much if you guys can hit this like button again. It does help me out immensely, guys. This like button, folks, definitely do hit it. I always would appreciate that, guys. That like button right here on your screen. It's super easy. Just a minute to do that, and that would help me. Also, I am going to throw in this, join the Discord. So hop in the Discord if you guys are not already there. Would love to have you guys. Next floor on SHIB is 5691. Let's see. Done made awesome. I appreciate everybody. What is Mana at today? Mana always looks good. Down a little bit. Yeah, I mean somewhere between 250 and 3. I think it's a good entry. So SHIB, yeah. So essentially, a lot of people want to know my thoughts on this. First, we're not going to do the day because it's garbage. We are going to do Mana in 2022 will rock. I can believe that for sure. I do believe that. Okay, so again, we had a couple things here. We had a cup and a handle. This is kind of a cup and handle, not exactly, but it's pretty close to a cup and handle pattern, something like this. That's kind of what we're aiming for. So we're aiming for like a cup and handle pattern here, which you guys can see. And then what it looks to be now is it evolved from this into a flag, a bull flag, and then a bunch of V's, which would be bullish. It was really a very bullish movement. Is a bull flag like this, and then you have a bunch of momentum like this before a bullish run, something like this. So this to me is looking like this, and then we're kind of seeing that, flag forming. How did I get to this from watching the? I don't know, stuff. Well, I'm happy to have you here. SHIB good long term. I mean, again, I think all crypto is good long term. You have ups, you have downs. You know what I mean? It's hard for me to say like whether or not in 6 months SHIB will be the best investment, but I think most cryptos will be worth more in 6 months than they are today. Be straight says will rise or the momentum is dead. Be honest. I mean, I'm very honest. It could do well. It could not. I think when it comes down to it, it really depends on how all of crypto works. You know, are we getting a bull run, a bear run? Twitch was a vibe. It was a vibe. Again, I believe in crypto, so naturally I like it. Naturally, I want it to perform well. Can you explain what bullish and bearish means? Bullish means it's going to rise in price. Bearish means it's going to go down in price, but not at once. And it means more like it describes bullish versus bearish describes more of a trend in movement. So like I can't really, I'm not going to be like bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. It's not really. It's more like, okay, this is a bearish, momentum here. This is a bullish move, like something more like that. It's more describing a move. You know what I mean? $8. I appreciate that, crazy one. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Mononoke, sure thing. Mononoke. A lot of people have been actually asking me about this one. It's up a lot. Extremely risky. Extremely risky. Thank you, Kiwi. Extremely risky. Could do very well. Do we have like fundamentals here? Not really. Doesn't really look like we have a lot of fundamentals here. These guys don't even have faces. I mean, not the greatest project, to be honest with you. But again, it looks like a lot of people are very early on this. So again, the being early definitely looks good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy a few different. I'm gonna actually buy some SHIB like things right now. So if you guys want to actually watch this, I am on my other tab. Oh my goodness, Conquest at the 20. I love you. I appreciate it. I appreciate you so much. Avatars for faces. Yeah, I know. I have to build some confidence, right? Yeah, that's just not particularly my favorite thing when the creators of a crypto are anonymous. I've heard of Wolverinu. Again, you kind of run the same risk with all of these like SHIB clone kind of things. They're tough. But I saw something cool. So let's see. I'm curious as to so there's a thread, and I'm gonna go through it. I'm just gonna ape into all of these. Okay, so this guy here, this dude knows his stuff, man. This guy. So okay, so here he says I'm looking to add a few more meme coins. Okay, he's looking to add meme coins, right? So let's see. Oogie, OOGI. I'm just looking at what a lot of Solana monkey business. Is this the one? A lot of Solana monkey business people. It's been around a few days. Yeah, this is good. This is gonna run. I feel like this is gonna run. I'm just being an ape. Where do I predict SHIB will be by the end of the week? I could see, again, it depends on whether or not, it depends on how this flag kind of goes. Again, we have like a flag movement here. Again, probably be like kind of like a couple of V kind of formations. I could see one of these eventually ending and being very explosive. I love NFT flipping. Oh yeah, love it. So yeah, you guys are gonna watch me. I'm gonna ape into these live. I'm aping into NFTs live, or I'm aping into SHIB clones live. Actually, what do you guys want? You guys want me to keep going on SHIB? I mean, I did kind of just explain some stuff. Do you guys want me to keep going on SHIB, or you guys want to watch me ape into or do you guys want to watch me ape into SHIB clones? Losing 20%, Eric. I think Eric, realistically, Eric, you'd be in 6 months from now. I think you'd be all right. That's me. SHIB clones. I feel like Flocky Inu's already really popular. Let's do both. Yeah, we'll do both. Sure. Again, a lot of people have been asking me about SHIB. You know, we can check the RSI. We're right around 50. Right around 50. So, you know, not particularly volatile right now. How you doing, Titan Explorer? What's up, buddy? Not particularly volatile right now. Right around 50. So, you know, we have some headroom to move up. Some room to move down, you know. Again, it really, to me, looks like one of these flag patterns. What it really looks like, this is TradingView. I'm using TradingView here. Again, yeah, SHIB did a cup and handle, so we had a cup. So we had a cup, handle, something like that. So, again, this is kind of what I'm seeing here. Cup, handle. That was kind of the movement, which kept it bullish. OTC to Robinhood. Possible. That's quite the conspiracy, but possible, RSW. Hey, Mark. Happy to have you here, Mark Sanders. I appreciate it, man. How we doing, everybody? SHIB will probably not hit a cent, guys. I'm sorry. It will probably not. Make sure, folks, if you guys have not already, guys, make sure to go follow me, guys, over on Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino, drop it a follow. I would love, love, love to have you guys over there. Michael K, how you doing? What's going on? Ponyo Inu, I can look at that. Yeah, guys, here is the Twitter. Drop it a follow. Besides the RSI, what are the other indicators? Sure. Look at that. Show thing. Half a cent, also very hard. The reason why SHIB will not hit a cent, again, I know a lot of people want to know about this. You follow me already? I appreciate it. There's the Twitter, guys. A lot of people want to know about this. Is, again, yeah, the market cap would be $5 trillion. It just would not really be possible. Because the price is the market cap divided by the supply of any crypto, right? Market cap is price divided by supply. So, you know, you go to Bitcoin, you have 62,000... Or is it's supply divided by price? Supply divided by price or price divided by supply? Which one is it? Which one is it? I got brain fog. Wait, which one is it? 429 people, less than 100 likes. Facts. Emily, how are you? Guys, make sure to drop a like, folks. Drop a like on the stream, guys. Mash this like button, baby. Mash it. It does help me keep this as my job, so I appreciate that. Thank you, guys. Price times supply. Okay, I knew I was doing something wrong. Yeah, price times supply. So you got the price times the total amount, and that gives you your market cap. So, circulating supply times price. Yes. So, price times circulating supply. So, unfortunately, again, here's the way that works with Bitcoin. With Shiba Inu, it's harder because... What's up, Webull? Again, you have the market cap. You have the current price times the supply to get to the market cap. How did Doge hit 0.6? Because, Lewis, when it comes to circulating supply, Doge, like, sure, more is being minted, but the amount that's being minted is affecting this in a minuscule way. The amount of Doge that's being created is affecting this in a very minuscule way. So in theory, the amount of Doge that's being minted is... First off, I don't know if when you mint it, technically... When you mint Doge, is it technically going into the circulating supply or no? Or do you have to, like, actively trade it? Twitter handle, guys. Twitter handle for me, Matt Garbarino. This is the Twitter handle, man. Mark, right there, Mark. Yeah, the Shiba Inu supply is not accurate. This is true. Did I ape on LRC? I did not. Yeah, here it is. Drop a follow, guys. Drop a follow there. What's up, Pat Wolfman? Do I think that the market volume for SHIB will come back tomorrow? Possible. You know, low volume isn't necessarily bad. W, we belt, W. Yeah, there's no way SHIB hits a cent, guys. There's no way. I'm sorry. You know, 1/10 of a cent. That's a lot more possible. Good burning and 1/10 of a cent is a lot more possible. Definitely a lot more possible. All right, so the first... I'm going to ape into this. The first SHIB-like alternative I'm going to ape into is this. So I am going to swap some Solana for, I'm going to get some of this. So I'm going to get some, is this not even, wow, this isn't even on, isn't even on here. What other Solana clones am I going to ape into? What is Boku? Oh, ain't even on here. Someone tell me a good SHIB clone, man. What's a good SHIB clone, man? Bamboo coin? Sure. Wow, not even on Radium, man. You might have to use another swap out there, I guess, huh? Mega Shiba Inu? Jasmine? Love Jasmine. Jasmine isn't particularly related to SHIB. The Mega Shibzilla. These names are so like. Any on Solana? Are there any of them on Solana? Moon Lana? It's up a lot. What does Moon Lana do? Alright, yeah, that looks pretty good. How about we get some Moon Lana? Bruh. Oh, it's MOLA. Dang, it's not on here, man. It's not on Radium. Gonna have to use another Dex, I guess. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have to use I'm gonna have to use another I'm gonna have to use another thing. Gonna have to use another thing in order to do that. Catgirl or SHIB Army. I feel like Catgirl is very volatile. But yeah, you could is Oogie on here? Oogie Solana. Awesome. That's hysterical. We gonna pick up a bag of this. I'll probably do it after stream. Kishu, I do have Kishu. Kishu is one of the only Ethereum based SHIB clones I have. Hey, Shine, I actually got it yesterday. You like it, huh? A 1/10 of a cent on a chart? Sure. Here's what a 1/10 of a cent would look like. So, here's where we are now. We would have to go from here up to, my goodness. We'd have to keep going. I mean, literally, to get to a 1/10 of a cent to get an idea of how difficult that would be. We'd have to get to here, man. That's pretty tough, bro. That's pretty tough. Getting to a 1/10 of a cent, guys, to give you an idea of how tough this is what this would look like. Isn't that crazy? So, like, here's where we are. Here's all the movement we've had in the past, like, 6 months. And then this. Possible, but very hard. Bernie would help that. Priyanka, how you doing, Priyanka? Best wallet? It depends on what chain, Icy. ENJ? Yeah, I love Engine a lot. I got Engine a long time ago. Wow, it's doing good too. Elon Doge. Elon Doge, or no, this is what is this? Dogelon Mars. I mean, it's alright. But yeah, see, in order to get to a 1/10 of a cent, bro, it would have to, like, still eclipse Bitcoin, I think. I'll see you, Webull. Much love, buddy. Catch you later, bro. If Kraken and Robinhood added it, Kishu is about the same spot. Nothing crazy going on with Kishu today. Kraken and Robinhood developed it, or listed it. That would help a lot. Top 3 cryptos, not including Bitcoin. Solana, Ethereum, and you got me thinking. Solana, Ethereum. Top 3. Probably Solana, Ethereum, and Decentraland, probably. Those are probably my favorites, to be honest with you. How you doing, Acheta? Acheta, how's it going? Guys, here is my Twitter, guys. Make sure to drop it a follow, guys. Matt Garbarino. Drop the Twitter a follow. New investor, any tips? Do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your research, you know, do your own research. Bought a lot of Elon, huh? One Piece. I'm not sure what crypto that is. Mana, sure. Sure. So Mana is doing quite all right. It looks to be when I check the spot here. I mean, it's really just consolidating quite well. It had this kind of rounded bottom here. And then now it looks as if it's kind of doing that like flag formation. Similar to what SHIB is doing, to be honest with you. But, yeah. AVAX, yeah. AVAX, I wish I had. I don't know why I didn't put anything into it. I don't know why. But it is quite agitating. Decentraland's like, in my opinion, I think Decentraland's like a mid-tier buy right now. Not the best buy, but not a bad one either. You know, probably a time to buy really be like a limit order at like 250 or 260. Track. Oh man, someone was just telling me about this one, man. Hey, good for y'all, man. Whoever was telling me about this one, good on you. Good on you, man. VeChain, very popular, already high market cap. I don't know how many gains you'd get on it, but KIN. What do they do? User experience. Okay, they're trying to go for like a social media kind of feel. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Where do they have this listed? It's pretty sick. What is it not on any chain? What chain is this on? Dimitri with the 5. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that, man. Cat girls, sure, man. Goodbye right now. How to become a member on the Discord, you mean, Lucky? The member role in the Discord is actually for everybody. I just haven't given it to everybody yet. But yeah, Origin Trail, good on you guys. Whoever was telling me about that one, man. 30 Bitcoin putting into Saitama. Wow. But I need some Saitama. Pi Network, I don't know, seems kind of has been these days. Anchor, I love it. Love Anchor. Cat Girl, I don't know, kind of looks a little rug-ish. Oh, Lucky, everybody actually is a member. I just need to I need to just update the role for everybody. Everybody's actually a member. This was alright. I mean, I don't know, it just kind of looks like a rug pull. Ryoshi Vision, not sure, probably a very strange like swap. I'll add some Saitama to a bag soon. OMG. Yeah, I've seen OMG on Coinbase for a lot, actually. We could analyze the current SHIB price again. Oh my god, VRA, Mark. Oh my goodness, bro. I love it. I love VRA, my all-time favorite crypto, actually. VRA, all-time best. Best investment ever I've ever made. Best crypto ever. I love VRA, man. How is Woof doing today? Wow. This is good. This is really good. 10x. I got a 10x on that one. That was a 10x multiplier. Can't complain about that, man. Facebook changed it to Meta, didn't they? SHIB crashing this week. It's in a bit of a weird spot, but I see it as being a bullish spot because, again, it looks like a flag, a bull flag. I drew that horribly. But it looks like a bull flag here for the bottom with a lot of kind of V's, you know what I mean, after. So, I don't know. See, I would buy into Solana altcoins. I would not do Solana. I would do Solana altcoins. Love Decentraland, man. Love Decentraland. At $1.50, I don't see Mana hitting $1.50 ever again. I do not see it ever hitting $1.50. I do not see that, man. Yeah, it rejected 65. It rejected the ability of like a bull run. Again, you had kind of the cup in hand. Really, I think it was rejected here at 61 because you had the cup and the handle and then the rejection. So like cup, handle, rejection. You know what I mean? This did not work, unfortunately. Very sad. Very sad. And now we're going to consolidate because it rejected that. Too late to buy mana? Not a bad time. I wouldn't say a great time. Oh yeah, K, and it's on Solana, is it? I like this one, buddy. I like it a lot. Market cap is still low. Yeah, I like this a lot. I like this a lot, buddy. I'm a ape in. I'm getting my list. Kin, Saitama. What else am I buying? Mac 10 or MP5. I like to buy Mac 10. Why is the title of this stream called SHIB? Because we talk about SHIB, and there are currently 649 people here who want to, ask me questions about things. Talking about straight Shiba Inu for 2 hours straight would probably be pretty boring. Engine, I like. Market cap, I think it's getting pretty high, but CRO already. Doing good. But yeah, island deals. You got me wanting to ape. You got me wanting to ape. H-bar, extremely good infrastructure. I know it's very fast. A little centralized, but very fast. Can Burns make a dent into SHIB? Possible. It is very possible. I just, it depends on whether or not they succeed in doing it. VRA, Vera Wallet. They have a thing, Vera Wallet. On their it's their website. You can do that. You do Binance. A lot of different spots to buy VRA. Star Atlas I love. I don't have it. I wish I did. What the heck is Kadena? Smart contracts. Wow. This looks quite good. Quite good to say the least. MTV crypto. Multivac. Wow, this is a tiny market cap. What? They have a CertiK audit. That's good. Trusted sharding. How does that work? What is a sharded blockchain? Fair mining. Okay. God, this is convoluted, man. I gotta get my computer science degree before reading this. Jesus. Very low market cap, though. Very low market cap. Good growth. What up, Azura? What's up, buddy? Stack Zero debit debt Visa card. That's awesome. That is awesome. This looks good. Who told me about this? You're using SHIB for views when you don't even like it much. I don't know how to answer that. I've dedicated a channel to SHIB for 6 months straight. I don't know how you could do that when you don't like something. Blacklist with the 20. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. 30-year DC Marvel comic progress making at Funky Monkey Frat House. Look it up. That is awesome. That is awesome. You do this? Awesome. Awesome stuff. That is sick. That is sick. Hey, Super Dirty Pickle, I appreciate you. Thank you for the 5. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, the 5 very much. ACH. Alchemy. I did look at this before. Some people asked me about this. I'm assuming you're joking, Evan. I'm assuming you're joking, right, Evan? Be connected globally. World Source Cyber. So okay, so it's like a hybrid car, but crypto. What do they? Oh, okay. So it's like a PayPal meets like crypto. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Have you seen my channel, bro? I've been doing SHIB since May, man. That's 6 months. Meg with the 3. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I should give false hope to 610 people and tell them that SHIB will hit a cent when it clearly won't. Yeah, that would be fair. That would be a courteous thing to do to 600 people. Track. Let's see track. Oh yeah. Everybody talk about this. Taking profit depends on when you bought. Again, man, I hope SHIB burns tokens and proves everybody wrong and hits a cent. But right now, it is literally physically impossible. It's just being real. It's like saying, oh, will Bitcoin hit will Bitcoin hit 100 million? No, like. Sorry, Bitcoin is not going to hit $100 million either. I can love something without being completely wrong about, like, the price. Appreciate it, Dillip. I appreciate that. Gotta keep it real, of course, Astro Boy. Meg Totes get it. Meg gets it. Meg Totes gets it. Proppy. What is this? Small market cap. Automated transactions from the leading real estate innovator. Crypto real estate. Can't say it's not interesting. It's got a lot of big people behind it. Can't say it's not interesting. SHIB target, sure. What are some Solana altcoins? Exactly, Perry. Solana altcoins, I like Samo. I like Samo, Cheems, Woof a lot. So again, price target, realistically, I see kind of a consolidation. Something like this. Over the next few days. Coinbase is fine for investing. Coinbase Pro is probably better. Less fees. Good buy right now. I think VRA is probably on sale right now. It's me. VRA looks like on sale a little bit. Been consolidating a while, Straight falling wedge here with VRA. So, NK SHIB 1 cent. Probably not, man. Most likely not. The circulating issue with SHIB, yeah. This issue here is crazy. This is a problem. Can SHIB reach 1 cent? No, it cannot. Extremely unlikely. Technically possible, extremely unlikely. From down under, how you doing, Cameron? What's going on? How's it going, buddy? $1K on which stock? It's up to you. I can't tell you what to invest in, but again, I like to look for altcoins. Hey, Greg with the 5. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. How much fear with the Mr. $5 wallet? He holds a lot of power. The guy with the wallet, yeah, he's got a lot of power. I'm not gonna sugarcoat that. He's got a lot of influence. 0.00014. So you're suggesting .00014? 0.00014. So that'd be 3 times where we're at right now, roughly. Possible, a little bit on the high end, but possible, very possible. What squeeze are you guys talking about? I'm not sure what squeeze you're talking about. Oh yeah, man, big Doge lever. All $100 I put into Doge, man. If you're able 10x by 2, it is possible. Squeeze question. I have no idea what squeeze you guys are talking about. VRA, yeah, VRA I see doing a lot of great things again, just because the tech they're doing is pretty amazing. H-bar, sure, I can look at that. But yeah, VRA, I mean, it has the market cap to do so. You know what I mean? So yeah, I believe in this. I like VRA a lot. Again, once, you know, their proof of use stuff, I mean, they basically invented a new, I mean, really, look at the stuff they've invented, man. It's pretty amazing. Pretty impressive stuff, man. Mana could 5x. Possible. Unlikely, but possible. I can see it more like 3xing. Hey, Josh. Happy to have you again, man, from communist Australia. Oh, man. My sympathies with you guys, man. You guys got to get out of there, man. Half a cent? Probably not. Probably not a half a cent. Also very hard, guys. Also very hard. I feel like you're ignoring me, but I understand you might feel like I'm advertising even more screaming around best. Hey, I appreciate it, Albert. Albert, I'm not ignoring you, man. I just I might have missed your message, guys. There are a lot of messages coming through here. I promise I'm not intentionally ignoring people. I cannot respond to every message. Albert, definitely do repeat that, whatever message you had there. Hi, hey, JD. Happy to have you, JD. Happy to have you. Vegas Online Casino accepted it as a payment. Say, that's awesome. Anime coin into NFTs. I don't know much about that is. Guys, do you guys want me to do a like a comprehensive SHIB analysis, guys, from start to finish here? Hey, I appreciate it, JDC. I appreciate it, because what I do is I do my next YouTube video. If you guys want to watch, I know some people like to watch me do those. You guys want to watch me do my next YouTube video? You guys want to watch me do my next video? A 0 per year. Possible, but that would slow down as the market cap got really, really high. I see Ethereum hitting like 5K for the end of the year. Stable 5K. Yes, analysis. Awesome. All right. So yeah. So we will do this. By the way, guys, make sure to drop a follow over on the Twitter, guys. Drop a follow on Twitter. 3 coins I like. I cannot recommend anything, but 3 coins I like. Solana. These are to buys right now. Things to buy right now. Solana, Samo, and Solana, Samo, probably Decentraland. Meg Toads, $3 again. I appreciate it. Yes, analysis. Awesome. How you doing, blue dot emoji there? Evan, it is not physically possible at the moment for this to hit a half a cent. It is literally impossible because the market cap would be over $1 billion and it would be over Bitcoin. Unless you guys see Shiba Inu overtaking Bitcoin, it will not hit half a cent. I've never seen people get so butthurt over price predictions they disagree with. You do not have to agree with my price prediction. But it's like, I don't know, it's like people have made it like a religious experience, like, oh, you don't think it's hitting a cent? Oh my god! Like, dude, like, okay, you know, we can disagree on price prediction, man. Like, you know, I do not care if you agree or disagree with my price prediction. That is okay. I do not have a VRA video. I do not. I feel like the tech is kind of out of my league, but I love what they're doing. I feel like the tech is kind of out of my league. I'm in the U.S. radio. How about you? The bottom, realistically, I see around 55 probably being the bottom. All right, guys. So, yeah, I'm going to do a little analysis video from start to finish, guys. I know a lot of people want to see these. So, we will start the video, the next YouTube video. So, why not, right? Why not, man? All right. Here we go. We're doing the next YouTube video. All right, folks? Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Matt and welcome back to Crypto Kings. And today's video, we're going to be talking about exactly what is going on right now with Shiba Inu. I know so many people want to know, and with that being said, let's get right into it, folks. So, if you guys have not seen what SHIB is doing here on the night, we are down around 1.5%. Nothing particularly major to say the least. Market cap here is still around $31.5 billion, which is still quite high, to be honest with you, and definitely when we work up the list, definitely close to USDC and Doge, definitely creeping up once again. I very much could see that overtaking it in the near future. Volume here has been down a lot, like an awful lot, but again, the majority of this volume is pretty even. It's a decrease in sell volume and a decrease in buy volume, so that is not particularly tragic. I don't see the decrease in volume being anything overly bad. Again, sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of a cool off when we're not in the news cycle every single minute and whatnot. I definitely do think that is healthy. Again, of course, we do have the circulating supply issue here, which still has not been resolved. Now, when we check exactly what SHIB is doing here on the day, this has been honestly really, really nice. So again, we had what, again, everybody could basically agree was kind of a cup and handle pattern, either, a cup and handle in this fashion, something along these lines, or just kind of a general kind of V, just a general single bottom with a surge upwards. And it appeared that after the surge upwards, it sort of resisted the 65 line, which, would be making sense. Then, of course, we said, okay, this is going to create the handle. The 65 line here is going to create the handle, obviously heading us down to the around 55 line. But unfortunately, on the way back, it did not succeed in moving past the 61 line, preventing that cup and handle explosion. Because there is an instance, there is a situation in which you would have a cup, a handle, and then a very bullish movement. This happens a lot. It just didn't happen in this particular instance, and that is a-okay. So when it comes down to it, again, we have a cup and a handle here, but more than that, what this also looks to me is when we ignore everything from the 4th onward, this looks like a flag with a bunch of different movements after. This looks like a bull flag, and you guys can see that bull flag exemplified here, of course, when we draw the flagpole, and then we have our little V's after it. And of course, when we look at a typical bullish flag pattern, it kind of looks something like this. It really does. There are a lot of instances in which you'd have a bull flag like this, a bull flag uptrend, and that looks to be exactly what SHIB is doing right now. It's making this bull flag, and it's making a bunch of different V's after. And ideally, if it can sustain this, if we are able to have a flag like this and a bunch of different V's kind of sustained, we could have it eventually erupt in some way, headed perhaps back into the 70s, which, I think would be really, really good. So that is the current option going on with the flag. When we check the relative strength index, you guys can see right now on screen, we're right around 50, so right around the middle. Nothing particularly amazing going on here, nothing particularly exciting. It shows it's not all that volatile because, again, this volume is very low. This is a very low amount of buy volume and a very low amount of sell volume. So there's nothing, redonkulously volatile going on here. Nothing I would, lose sleep over in terms of a volatile price, because really, it would have to have the whale would have to just, the whale would have to sell all his SHIB overnight, in order for this to really, in my opinion at least, have a kind of major impact like that, because I don't see much like news going on right now overnight. This volume is very, very clearly, down from what it was, and that's understandable. So again, we're kind of consolidating here right, around the middle here, and right around 50, on the relative strength index, which is definitely not bad, and it kind of does look like a little period of consolidation here from the flag. So again, we have the flagpole, the flag, and it does look like it's kind of consolidating in this way. When we check, of course, the Fibonacci Retracement, one of my all-time things to check. I check it just about every day on every single crypto in the world that interests me. You guys can see we have the top and the bottom of essentially every, part of the most recent run. So we have the top here all the way at 65 and the bottom here at 55. And really, we're not getting an awful lot of information from this. It's essentially just telling us that this 23.6% line is very pivotal. So again, you have the sort of handle here from the cup. Obviously, we have the cup, the handle here, and the very bottom of this handle here is at 55. Then we test for a sort of breakout. The test does not succeed and is thwarted by the 61.8% line, which you guys can see. It is thwarted by that line as well as the 50% line. It is also thwarted by that. So what essentially happens here is we bounce off of the 23.6% line yet again, which, honestly is fine, because it is very possible that, when having a flagpole like this being created, we have it just kind of bouncing. If it wants to bounce like this, that's fine. It's a little bit lower, but it's a consolidation regardless. If we want to have this and we want to have it bounce and we want to have it bounce off of the 23.6% line, that is also fine. So any of these circumstances are quite fine for a bounce. Again, maybe there's a situation in which it bounces off the 38.2% line. All these situations are quite fine and quite feasible for some kind of bounce like this, and definitely is worth looking into. When we check the MACD, which you guys can see here on the screen, we're getting a soft sell, so nothing overly major. Again, it's not giving us any crucial bits of information. It's just telling us that it looks like a soft sell, and again, the red is slightly above the blue here, so once these recross, that definitely could change some things, but right now, it does look to be like a soft sell. So overall, guys, definitely not a tragic day for SHIB in any way, shape, or form. I definitely do believe that within the next week or so, we could see some kind of breakout towards 70. It is possible that this, period of consolidation could fail and we could see something bearish. But, it is also very possible that we could head up to 70. So again, we have really what looks to be a new line of support around 55-ish. It definitely does look as if, it broke that as a key resistance, and now it is using it as a key support. And if it wants to, in all of these instances, if it wants to, bounce in some way off of the 55, that is fine, in my opinion, as long as it is able to stay above that 55 line. Things will definitely be doing a little bit better, to say the least. I definitely do think, again, this circulating supply is causing a little bit of FUD, a little bit of, sort of aggravation with a lot of people. I also think that when it comes down to it, there is, a lot of uncertainty about the Robinhood listing, the Kraken listing. I feel like those things are contributing to definitely some uncertainty. And obviously the final issue is the fact, of course, that there is a guy out there who has $5 billion worth of SHIB, and every time the guy literally touches it, anytime he touches his SHIB, it seems as if the market reacts in an explosive way. So I think those three things, the supply issue, the exchange issue, and the fact, of course, that this guy is just holding on to an astronomical amount of SHIB, I definitely think is contributing to a little bit of FUD and making it just a little bit more difficult for us, to succeed in these breakouts. So that is definitely my sentiment. That being said, guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. All right, stream video is done. So we're here on the stream. He doesn't realize that Bitcoin's market cap will be a lot higher than it is today when SHIB will be 1 cent. He doesn't consider a burn at all either. Closed-minded. There is no way for a burn to remotely get close for this market cap to overtake 2 trillion, guys. 2 trillion. Do you know what the market cap of the United States stock market is? 27 trillion. That's what the market cap is of the United States stock market, okay? So Bitcoin right now is at 1 trillion. So Bitcoin in size is 1/27th of the stock market. I love the channel. Got SHIB. Considering getting Solana for more stablecoin. I love Solana. Big fan, Cameron. I love Sol. For the long run, I love Sol. Had a SHIB sweatshirt on. So yeah, again, we're still early on Bitcoin to a degree, but just to give you perspective on how difficult market cap is like that, Adamo, much love. I appreciate that. I appreciate that so much. The US dollar would have to be worth literally nothing for Shiba Inu to appreciate in this fashion. I mean, the US dollar would literally have, the US dollar would have to be worth absolutely nothing. Hey, appreciate it, S. I appreciate that. Much love. Yeah, Evan, mega delusional for sure. Good to see you again. How you doing, Mr. Million Questions? How's it going, man? $50 would get you how much SHIB? I'm not sure. You probably use a SHIB, you know, like calculator or whatnot for that. I don't know off the top of my head how much that would get you. The Fed is working to that. That's true. That's true. Hey, man. Oh, tapering soon. We're going to taper. Fed's going to taper. See you later, Astro Boy. See you later. Breakout, I would say no. Yeah, Dina, I don't know. He definitely is not taking a finance class. Cup and handle, yeah. I mean, look, there are multiple. You kind of do, yeah, have like this cup and handle kind of thing still going if you wanted to call it that. You could say that if you wanted. You also could say that this was the cup and handle. Sorry. That this was the cup. This is the handle. This is the breakout that didn't happen, that failed, and now it's going to be a consolidation. But if you look at it from this way, you would say this is a flagpole, and this is the flag. XRP or VeChain? VeChain and XRT, VeChain and XRP, all around. I know VeChain is very well liked. I think it's the only crypto that's not banned, like in China. So I assume it'll be around for a while. Wealthy from first purchase B. I don't know, man. Probably gotta throw it back to Elon Musk. You got a Tesla, you know. Just dump SHIB and run away. Nah. I see SHIB doing extremely well in the next week. Even I would say probably a good 10 or 20% increase would be my guess. Possible. It might not be the case, but my guess is that within the next week or so. Polkadot is awesome. Love Polkadot. Long term, I can see SHIB easily long term before the end of this bull run tripling. Excellent blog. Hey, appreciate it. Thank you, Ron MacTowel. I appreciate that. Guys, if you all are new, folks, make sure to drop a like, folks. Drop a like on the stream and hit that subscribe button, guys. Let me know once you guys have subbed. If you guys are new, again, hit that subscribe button, folks. Would love to have you guys as a sub on the channel. I post videos every single day. Again, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Drop a like and subscribe, folks. Thank you all very, very much, man. Subbed and like, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. New sub, awesome, guys. Much love. I appreciate that, Edward. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much, Edward. I'm big into NFTs. Very big into NFTs. Very, very big. SHIB will not hit $1, guys. Give us the best woof woof you can. Look at Liquidus Finance and you'll like it, sub? Sure. Liquidus. How do I spell that? Liquid, Liquidus. Tiny market cap. Binance. Certic audit. Earn interest on your stable coins. Yield intelligence. Wow. This looks good. This looks very good. A Certic audit. That's pretty good. Appreciate it, Herbert. Thank you. New sub, Spirit Speakers. Appreciate that. Just sub. Thank you, Elite. Thank you. This looks really good, guys. SHIB will hit $1 when all of the world's derivatives markets are bought and sold. He's the only SHIB. Yeah, exactly. But Solana was technically possible to hit a cent, guys. SHIB cannot technically possibly hit a cent right now. New sub, appreciate that, Minaj. Much love. I appreciate that, everybody. Thank you guys for all the love, man. It means a lot, guys. Liquidus looks very good. Where is this available? PancakeSwap, huh? I'm going to save some of these, man. You guys are pretty smart. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino, follow me over on Twitter, guys. Trying to hit 1,000 followers, guys. Drop a follow here, folks. Would love to have you guys over on the Twitter. Elon Mars? Unsub? Why? PancakeSwap? I feel like it is. I feel like it's one of the very few like Binance, you know, swaps that people seem to use. Spooky Boys Country. I've not heard of that. I've not heard of that. Yeah, guys, there's Twitter. Drop it a follow, folks. Appreciate that, man. Much love, everybody. Shib to $150. Can Shib hit 1 cent? Technically, extremely unlikely. Dogelon Mars. Doing all right. I mean, market cap's already kind of big for something like this. I feel like the like $20 million market cap ones are like the real winners. You know what I mean? You'll eat your shoe. That a Doom Clan logo? Need you a Call of Duty player or no? I don't know. Just your logo. Need 024 looks like that. Coinbase did make it easier. Yeah. New Yorkers buying it definitely does help. Polkadot, love Polkadot. Big Polkadot fan. Oh, really? You're modding their channel? Ah, that's awesome. That's awesome. Fellow COD player. Yeah, people would have to burn part of their own ship. People would have to get rid of an astronomical amount of their own ship. Yeah. Hey, A-Buck with the 5. Thank you so much. AVDC. Wow. Tiny. 1 EV at a time? Possible. Digital currency to pay for EV charging. They sell a charger for EVs. This looks very rug Polish. I feel like they're trying to hawk this they're trying to hawk this product, I feel. Due to the volatility, I see a bull flag, inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour. That's still have to look at that. Inverse head and shoulders. Oh, I see it a little bit. Are you saying shoulder, head? Like head with shoulder and shoulder. Is this the head and shoulders you see it here? I'm seeing this too. HW, I did not hear about that, but that doesn't surprise me that they would pass something like that. Missed out on the Mana jump. Aw. Santa coin, probably a rug. I have a buddy who made a lot of money from it, but yeah, probably a rug. Probably a rug. But yeah, HW, I did hear about that. It's pretty terrible. SHIB in 1 hour, probably be similar to where it is now. Probably it's consolidating around here. I feel like Robinhood's going to list it. Yeah. Do I think SHIB is looking bullish? Yes, I do. I do. I see within a week or so it ends this flag pattern. Flag, and then I see that ending in around a week. Again, in an hour, the price will be very similar to what it is now. Robinhood's definitely going to list it. I think within a couple of months. XRP chart? Kind of hard to tell, to be honest with you. Looks could be a falling wedge. Could be a falling wedge. Very possible. I feel like Robinhood could 3x it very quickly, and then it would fall down. Or maybe 2x. Probably a 2x. I feel like if... Hey, Ling, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. What currency is that? Appreciate that, Ling. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Indian rupees. Thank you. DENT. Sure. Let's make me check. Okay, it is mobile data. VRA triple bottom. I gotta look at that. It's like a Shopify site. Maybe global like cell phone stuff. That might be all right. Market cap's very small. Where's the VRA triple bottom? Let me see it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Are we talking about the same thing? We're talking about this, right? We're talking about 1, 2, 3, right? Yeah, VRA triple bottom. Yeah, that's looking good. I feel like a Robinhood listing could absolutely 2x it. Not permanently, but temporarily. Oh, yeah. Robin, you know the hype, the Twitter hype would be freaking insane. Robinhood would probably send it here, to be honest with you. I feel like Robinhood would literally send it here, but then it would come quickly crashing. And then, you know what I mean? It would probably get more volatile. That'd be like my Robinhood guess. Now, subscribe. Thank you, Speed Plays. I appreciate that very, very much. Thank you so much. That means a lot, guys. That means a lot. Just want to run a quick ad, guys. I don't know if you guys get an ad or not. How they can fix the circulation problem? I guess either the SHIB team or CoinMarketCap has to come out with the truth. One of them has to come clean, you know what I mean? You guys got an ad? Okay, was just curious. Was just curious if you guys got an ad there. See you, Cameron. Much love, dog. You have a good night, man. Missy Mills. Guys, I appreciate you all hanging out, guys. That is probably going to be a wrap on the stream, guys. Just want to do a quick little hour. I'm getting a little tired, so I appreciate you guys hanging out, guys. I'll probably have a new video going up in a few hours, so definitely do be on the lookout for that. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are new. Join the Discord. Links in the chat. Would love to have you guys over there. And, of course, check out my Twitter, Matt Garbarino. Check out the Twitter, guys. So, hey, thank you, Branson. I appreciate it. Mana. Love Mana. Cold wallet for iPhone. Not sure about that. Good morning from Malaysia. How you doing, Nabil? How you doing? Branson, again, I appreciate that. I invested in Shiba when it was exactly 1/10 of it what it is now. $2, Zachary. I appreciate that. WIN. Sure. Wink link. What do they do? On Binance, Certic Audit. $500 million market cap. Oracle of Tron. So it relates to Tron. Blockchains didn't access or decide whether the information is authentic. Data from the real world. So they help Tron. Could be big. Could be very big for sure. Definitely could be big. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you all for the love, everyone. I appreciate you all. Oh, to the cord under the door, to a vacuum. To a vacuum. To a vacuum. I'm lazy. I'm on a vacuum here, but I'm being lazy. Much love, everybody. You guys have a wonderful night. All right, folks? Peace out. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. Hit that sub button before you go. Much love, everybody. Peace out, y'all. Peace out, everybody. Hope you guys have a fantastic night, guys. Peace.